Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So I think I already did a video on this one, but I'll recap on it again. It's a Grand Design Solitude, and I'm not sure what year it is off the hand yet. I'll go double check, but it's a ST310 GK, so a 310 GK. Anyways, it's in here for the customer satisfaction for the frame stuff, and Zach's got it finally all completed on this side. I'm not sure what else we're doing to it. I did talk to him about like the fender skirts and stuff have cracks and stuff in them, but down here you can see everything turned out nice and clean. This is the new fix, so it's all V brackets and all the leaf spring hangers. They're having us take like a 2x1, or I think it's 2 by something tube that's 90 something inches long, so it goes pretty far down there, installed. It gets stitch welded, so we go in, grind out the cracks, drill stop them, fill them, grind them down flat, grind up the area for the new metal to get welded to, get all that stuff repaired and painted, and then put in the tube and get everything all repainted. It also includes a little bit of modification of the underbellies, because the underbellies usually have to come down a little bit in order to get back up in there, and then the guys go back through and they'll seal it or foam it, whatever they need to do to it. Sometimes there's stuff in the way that they have to move, like LP lines, wiring, hydraulic hoses, and all that kind of fun stuff. So, but anyways, we're getting ready to lock up for the day, and I will touch back in with more, but I just wanted to thank Grand Design and the customers for choosing us to do the work. We make sure that we're doing it right. We don't want any problems with your units, and we don't want any problems for Grand Design. So we're trying to get that all squared away and go from there. And we'll get to fix these as fast as possible. There's actually, from what I understand, there's not a lot of shops out there that are doing these type of repairs. One, because they either don't know how to weld, which is kind of crazy, because I'm old school. They taught us all that back in high school, but I guess they don't teach that anymore. So and then this is a craft, so there's anything you can think of on these, and I don't know, it's tough sometimes, but I guess from what I understand, the dealers don't want to assume any liability. There's nothing down there that's going to be an issue, but they don't want to assume liability, or maybe it's just for the front upper deck stuff that's going on. But I just was at the factory for back in India for 4 days, and toured the Solitude plant along with a lot of the other stuff, and units are looking awesome. That new Omega frame, that thing's never going to break. So that thing is so beefed up that it could handle whatever, and they've done all kinds of things to increase the size, thickness, and strength of it. So can't wait to see the new ones come into the shop in the years to come. And this one's actually a painted one, so it's really nice. It's beautiful, multicolored. It's been well maintained. There's some stuff that we need to do to it, but it's like that on everything. So but anyways, thanks so much for watching. You guys have a great day, and sorry for rattling on so much. It's Dustin, your RV Specialist.